We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Shh! We are on a secret mission. Secret mission number 1. We are going to get more decor for my vlogmas setting. Flavius thinks that we are going to buy some food from Lidl, but actually I'm going on a hunt for the decor. Secret mission number 2, not buying everything in the store. Secret mission number 3, not freezing to death, because here in Romania there are like 9 degrees outside. I already miss Portugal. Let's go!
Victory! We are back home. Can you see me from all this food and decoration? I want to show you what I was looking for and what Christmas decor means to me. Christmas decor means to me, first and foremost, natural plants. We are a sucker for natural things in our home. When it comes to Christmas, we like to have a Christmas tree that is real. This is why we made the Christmas tree so late in the game. But I like also to buy these flowers. You know, these Christmas flowers that everybody has in their home from the 1st December right up to Christmas. And I really like to have this in my decor in my home. These Christmas trees, I really love them. They were so cheap. Oh my god, Lidl, everything that we have here we bought from Lidl. They are so tiny little Christmas tree, and because Flavius doesn't want us to make the Christmas tree earlier, I'm just gonna use these and decorate these. And you know that the only way to get Flavius out of the house was to tell him that we are going shopping for the food. So I want to have a little haul, a little mini unboxing to see what Lidl has in this period and what are the Christmas options and how we can make Christmas come into our home right from the 1st December. But first, what I liked about Lidl is that they have these mini books, and you can see here all sorts of Christmassy products, and they have recipe here and the ways to decorate your home. I really like this book. Of course, mine is in Romanian, but I'm sure they have this in Portugal. And what I also like about Lidl is that they have a flower shop. I bought myself these. They are mini little roses. Of course, I bought red because Christmas and everything, but they were so cheap. You are going to see the prices on the screen. They are so cheap, and also they came with a little package that you can put in the water so the flowers would last long. I really love that. In Romania, flowers are very expensive to buy. I know this is a thing in France. Flowers are very expensive to buy. I don't know about Portugal, but I guess they are very expensive. But Lidl has such a nice offer in natural plants, and I really love that, and especially in this time of year. What I also like to buy from Lidl, and I buy only from Lidl in Romania and Portugal, are these wipes. I use that. The name is W5. And I use that in my bathroom, I use that in my kitchen, and now I saw that they changed the packages. The other wipes, they they did a job, but they kind of smelled chemical, you know. I didn't like the smell. These little babies, they have different smells, and this one smells like fresh, and they are so soft to the touch and really do the job. And I see here, for the ones who are interested in this subject, that they are biodegradable 100%, because I know we have a problem with the ocean and everything, and we want to be a little conscious about what we buy. Also very cheap, these ones. I know that maybe you want to see more of me, but I think these flowers deserves, you know, the front seat. and everything. I am determined to help you bring Christmas in your home throughout the December month, because you know Christmas lasts only 3 days and it's a shame. It should last long. And I don't know if you noticed, but this time around, this year, I don't know what it is about this year, but throughout the world, in several countries, I see that people started celebrating December in November. I mean, you know, we back before the pandemic, we started celebrating Christmas, if you really were into this kind of thing, kind of like 15 December, something like that. But this year is truly special because people started to put up their Christmas trees, and not only people but also the towns started decorating everything from November, the last week of November, even of the middle of November. So I think the world is in need of celebration, and I think the world needs to feel that this madness is, if not past, at least we take a little break from it and remember what really matters in life. So I welcome Christmas in my life this year. I need this Christmas to be joyful, and I hope to bring some joy in your life too. Let's get down to the food. I like to eat this. I really like this assortment. Of course, this is in all the shops, in Carrefour, in Aldi. This taste that you can find at Lidl is my favorite. And we eat this kind of things. Also, from the Deluxe collection, this is my favorite collection, and you can find Deluxe products only at Christmas or Easter or when it's a holiday, and it's a shame they should keep this line throughout the year, because I would buy it, and I'm sure a lot of people would buy it. Also, another assortment of cheese, and you can use this cheese to put in these mini pastries. What could be more festive than these mini pastries that are prepared with fine butter? And it says here also what you can put in them, all sorts of sauces and cheeses, and if you are a vegetarian you can put sauces only with vegetables. Also, what we bought that is from the Christmas collection at Lidl, it's this vitello tonato. I am sure that you can find this also in Portugal, because before I left Portugal, like a week ago, they already released the Christmas collection. You can find this right now in Portugal if you are watching from there. And vitello tonato, it's roasted topside of veal with tuna sauce. I really like this recipe. And of course, we have the pastas. We really like pastas, we really like Italy. We were thinking for a long time to buy a home in Italy, in the south of Italy, but we ended up in Portugal. I have a video about why. But from time to time we eat pastas, and I really like this combination from Lidl, this type of things. I'm sure you saw it in the stores. And this recipe is puttanesca pasta, and why I like is because they come here with a package with all the herbs, and all that you have to do is written on the bottom here, and you only have to make the sauce. Is very simple. It's like 5 minutes making the sauce. The pastas have to boil, of course, but it's a very easy recipe and very good. And of course, we bought sweets from the Christmas collection. These ones, mini desserts, domes. I really like how they look. For me, it's all about the taste, but also they have to look good. And these ones, I think they look very nice on a platter. I just imagine the Christmas table, but these are going to be eaten before Christmas, like today or tomorrow, something like that. Also from the Christmas collection, and what can scream better Christmas than this creme brulee? Creme brulee. I don't like creme brulee much, but Flavius likes it, and this was his purchase. And this one is a decent creme brulee. I mean, it's not the taste of the original recipes, of course, but it's a decent one. So if you are in the mood for some creme brulee, you can try this one. But for me, I like these little babies. They have all sorts of packaging and taste it, but I like the ones with the coffee. And what is your favorite smell during the Christmas? Yes, is this. I bought oranges and I bought these little ones. And we are going to use this also for a special project. Don't tell anyone, but we are making mulled wine. Oh my God, when I was touring the towns like 2 weeks ago and I was in Ferragudo, I enjoyed the most sensational sangria right in the square of Ferragudo. I didn't film at Ferragudo because it was like an outing just for ourselves to take a break for everything. But oh my God, the sangria was so good and the atmosphere there in the market was so nice. There are a lot of people. It was very hot outside, even if it was in the middle of November. And maybe I have some footage with the drone because I remember we filmed with the drone, but we didn't make a full video. And it was so nice in Ferragudo just to stay there, enjoy the people, enjoy the sun, enjoy sangria. But for Christmas we are making homemade mulled wine, and these babies are going to go in that wine. And now it's time to decorate the house. But this adventure is for tomorrow's video. Happy December and see you in the next one. Bye!